Are you worried about your next VA or SSDI payment, wondering if your combined benefits will be enough to cover your bills in August 2025? You're not alone. Every month, millions of Americans, veterans, people with disabilities, and their families count on these payments to keep the lights on, put food on the table, and pay for medicine. But with all the changes and updates, it's easy to feel lost or anxious. That's why in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about VA and SSDI combined benefits for August 2025, who gets paid, when the money arrives, how much you can expect, and what's new this month. If you rely on Social Security disability or veteran disability payments, this update is for you. Let's start with the basics. If you receive both VA disability compensation and Social Security disability insurance, also known as SSDI, you're part of a special group of Americans who qualify for what's called combined benefits. This means you get two separate payments each month, one from the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, for your service-connected disability, and one from the Social Security Administration, SSA, for your work-related disability. In August 2025, both agencies are continuing to process and pay out these benefits as usual. But there are a few important updates and reminders you need to know to make sure you get every dollar you're owed. We'll cover those updates in detail later in this video. So, who can actually receive both VA and SSDI benefits? Here's what you need to know. VA disability. Compensation is for veterans who have a service-connected disability. This means your injury or illness was caused or made worse by your military service. SSDI is for people who have worked and paid Social Security taxes, but can no longer work due to a severe disability, regardless of whether that disability is related to military service. You can qualify for both if you're a veteran with a service-connected disability and you meet Social Security's strict definition of disability, and you have enough work credits for SSDI. Example, let's say you're a 55-year-old Army veteran who developed PTSD during your service. You also worked for 20 years after leaving the military, paying into Social Security. If your PTSD is severe enough that you can't work, you may qualify for both VA disability and SSDI. Receiving VA disability does not reduce your SSDI payment, and vice versa. These are separate programs with separate rules. Now, let's talk about the most important question. When will you get paid in August 2025? VA payment date, August 2025. The VA always pays benefits on the first business day of the month for the previous month's entitlement. For August 2025, the VA payment date is Friday, August 1st, 2025. That means you'll receive your VA disability payment for July on August 1st. SSDI payment dates, August 2025. SSDI payments are based on your birthday. If your birthday is on the 1st through 10th, Wednesday, August 13th, 2025. If your birthday is on the 11th through 20th, Friday, August 20th, 2025. If your birthday is on the 21st through 31st, Sunday, August 27th, 2025, 11th to 20th, Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. If your birthday is on the 21st to 31st, Wednesday, August 27th, 2025. Exception. If you started receiving SSDI before May 1997, or if you also get SSI, your payment comes on the 1st of the month. So, Friday, August 1st, 2025. VA payment, August 1st. SSDI payment, August 1st, 13th, 20th, or 27th, depending on your situation. Now, let's talk numbers. How much can you expect from your combined VA and SSDI benefits in August 2025? VA disability compensation amounts. VA disability payments are based on your disability rating from 10% to 100%, and your family situation, spouse, children, dependents. In 2025, the VA has announced a cost of living adjustment of 3.2%. This means your monthly payment is a little higher than last year. Example 1. 70% disability rating, single veteran, about $1,716 per month. Example 2. 100% disability rating, married with one child, about $4,100 per month. SSDI payment amounts. The average SSDI payment in 2025 is about $1,550 per month. The maximum SSDI payment for someone with a high work history is about $3,800 per month. Example 3. If you're a veteran with a 70% VA rating, $1,550, your combined monthly income is $3,266. Example 4. If you're a 100% disabled veteran with a spouse and child, $3,800, your combined monthly income is $7,900. Important: these are just examples. Your actual payment depends on your VA rating, your SSDI work record, and your family situation. VA and SSDI are not means tested. This means your VA payment does not reduce your SSDI, and vice versa. Taxes. VA disability is not taxable. SSDI may be taxable if your total income is above certain limits. For most low-income recipients, SSDI is not taxed. Let's talk about what's new for VA and SSDI combined benefits in August 2025. 1. Cost of living adjustment. COLA. As mentioned, both VA and SSDI payments include a 3.2% COLA increase for 2025. This helps your benefits keep up with inflation. 2. Direct deposit updates. Both the VA and SSA are encouraging all beneficiaries to use direct deposit. Paper checks are being phased out, and delays are more common with mailed checks. If you haven't switched to direct deposit, now is the time. It's faster, safer, and more reliable. 3. Online account access. The VA and SSA have both improved their online portals. You can now check your payment status, update your address or bank info, and get notifications about your benefits online. For the VA, use va.gov. For SSDI, use ssa.gov/myaccount. 4. Scam alerts. There's been an increase in scam calls and emails targeting VA and SSDI recipients. Remember, the VA and SSA will never call or email you asking for your full Social Security number or bank info. If you get a suspicious message, contact the agency directly. 5. Processing delays. Some regions are experiencing delays in processing new claims or appeals. If you're waiting for a decision, check your status online or call the agency for updates. Here are some simple but important tips to make sure you get your VA and SSDI payments on time in August 2025. 1. Keep your info up to date. Make sure your address, phone number, and bank account info are current with both the VA and SSA. Even a small mistake can delay your payment. 2. Use direct deposit. Direct deposit is the fastest and safest way to get your money. If you're still getting paper checks, switch to direct deposit as soon as possible. 3. Check your payment status online. Both agencies offer online tools to check your payment status. If you're worried about a delay, log in and check before calling. 4. Watch for official letters. If the VA or SSA needs more information from you, they'll send an official letter. Respond quickly to avoid delays. 5. Beware of scams. Never give out your social security number or bank info over the phone or email unless you're sure you're talking to the real agency. 6. Set up alerts. You can set up text or email alerts for payment deposits through your bank or the agency's online portal. If your VA or SSDI payment is late, missing, or the amount is wrong, don't panic. Here's what to do. Step 1. Double-check the payment date. Remember the payment schedule. VA on August 1st, SSDI on August 1st, 13th, 20th, or 27th. Sometimes payments are delayed by a day due to bank processing times or holidays. Step 2. Check your bank account. Log into your bank account to see if the deposit is pending. Step 3. Check online portals. Log into va.gov or ssa.gov/myaccount to see if there are any notices or updates about your payment. Step 4. Contact the agency. If your payment is more than 2 business days late, call the VA at 1-882-71000 or the SSA at 1-872-1213. Be ready with your social security number, claim number, and bank info. Step 5. Report issues promptly. If you think your payment was stolen or sent to the wrong account, report it immediately. Both agencies have fraud hotlines and can help you recover your money. Real-life scenario. Let's say you're a Navy veteran who usually gets your SSDI on the 3rd Wednesday of the month, but it's not in your account by Thursday morning. First, check your bank and the SSA website. If it's still missing, call the SSA. Most issues are resolved within a few days. Remember, you're not alone. Millions of Americans depend on VA and SSDI combined benefits every month. If you're feeling stressed or confused, reach out for help. Veterans Service Organizations, VSOs, groups like the DAV, VFW, and American Legion can help you with claims and appeals. Social Security advocates, many nonprofits offer free help with SSDI questions. Local social services, your local area agency on aging or disability office, can connect you with resources for food, housing, and more. If you have a question about your benefits, drop it in the comments below. Our community is here to help. If you found this update helpful, please subscribe to our channel for the latest Social Security updates, VA payment date reminders, and tips for getting the most from your combined benefits. Share this video with a friend or family member who needs to know about SSDI August 2025 or veteran disability payments. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have a question or if you're confused about your benefits. We're here to support you. Thank you for watching, and remember, you deserve every dollar you've earned. Stay informed, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next update.